We start with our CMDB schema, which serves as our IT source of truth. It contains 4 key object types: applications, databases, hardware, and servers. Our goal today is to integrate these operational assets with GRC for Jira to provide compliance officers and risk managers with clear visibility into the real-world infrastructure supporting our GRC entities. Now that our CMDB foundation is ready, let's head over to GRC for Jira to build the bridge between these technical assets and our compliance framework. First, an administrator must enable the integration. We navigate to Setting menu and select JSM Settings submenu. Then we select our CMDB schema and toggle on the object types, such as servers and applications, that we want to map to our GRC framework. Next, we have to configure the JSM Assets custom field. We navigate to Jira Work Items Setting page, select Fields menu, and search for JSM Assets custom field. From the actions, we select Contexts and Default Values menu. Next, we click Edit Assets, Field Configuration link. At the Open page, we set the context to our CMDB schema. Select Name Attribute to be displayed and search by within the field, and ensure it can store multiple objects. This field is the bridge that displays our linked assets directly on the GRC entity screen. Now that we've told Jira how to talk to our CMDB, let's jump into the GRC Entities page to see how easily we can pull that technical data into our compliance scope. To see the integration in action, we navigate to the Entities page. In the Entities table widget, click the Add Entity drop-down button and pick the submenu item, Create Entity, based on JSM Assets. This opens the creation dialog. On the left, we see our CMDB object tree. We first select an object type from the tree on the left. Once selected, the corresponding assets from our CMDB appear in the table on the right. Now, we simply select the specific assets we want to bring into GRC. We can then choose our creation mode, either creating a separate entity for every asset or grouping them all into one. Once we populated the mandatory GRC fields, such as the project, entity type, criticality, sensitivity, and owner, we click Add. The integration automatically creates the entities and establishes the link back to our CMDB objects. In order to ensure the new entities have the correct link to the assets, we'll open one of our newly created records. By checking the JSM Assets field contents on the issue screen, we can verify that the synchronization was successful. This isn't just a text label. It is a live, functional link that allows any compliance officer or risk manager to click through and view the technical details of the underlying asset without ever leaving the GRC workspace.